watching a master at work.
Drinking dope turned me to a superhero,
Most you ever spent on a sneaker?
That's easy. I actually just spent $1,300 today. Got Jonathan a little gift, 10 net Yeezy ones.
That's so nice, man.
I have these exclusive pair of Gucci sneakers. They were like $9.60.
What is the worst sneaker release of all time?
Probably Trophy Room ones, because
Why?
you know,
I don't know.
a lot of weird stuff went on there.
The worst sneaker release.
I really hate Marvin the Martian 7s. They're so ugly to me.
What is the most spent on a sneaker?
Probably around $3K for my CPFM dunks. I wear them all the time.
Sneakerhead pet peeve.
I really don't like when people call Jordans J.
What is the most you ever spent on a sneaker?
The military black fours.
How much was that?
Oh, retail.
Must be nice.
Yeah.
I don't even remember. Maybe 250.
What is the worst sneaker release of all time?
Because it's like generic.
What is your favorite sneaker of all time?
Spider-Man Jordan 1s.
Oh,
Their first release.
Might be the Royal Blues. I like blues. I like
nice.
blues.
And what is your sneaker pet peeve?
Let's say like when people step on your sneakers.
Oh, rude. What is the most you ever spent on a sneaker?
$600.
Ooh, what was that?
Jordan 4 UNCs.
5 bills, 500.
Oh, what'd you buy?
Mochas.
Nice.
Yeah.
What is the sneaker release of all time?
Maybe the Gatorades. Trophy ones? What are you wearing right now?
Yeah, but I'm just, it's a bad release.
Oh, okay. If you don't want them, just pass them.
Jordan 1 Chicago's.
Oh yeah, because the sneakers app and all that. And what is your favorite sneaker of all time?
Dude, honestly, the bandana Travis's, they're on my wish list. I'm not gonna lie.
Off-White UNCs.
Biggest sneaker flip?
Jordan 4 Midnight Navies. 3
Valid. How much have you made from sneaker reselling?
$6K in a month.
Nice. What is your sneakerhead pet peeve?
When people step on your shoes.
Just excuse me.
When they try them on and then they crease them. I hate
And then
that.
they return them back.
And
you
they
know?
return back, yeah.
What is the most you ever spent?
Trophy Room ones, $1,800. I think they're like $1,300 right now, so that was an L.
What is the worst sneaker release?
I believe the Dell 13.
I love 13s, man.
But that colorway was terrible.
They call them the backdoor ones.
What is your favorite sneaker of all time?
Have to be great 5s.
Jordan Brand.
Nice, valid. Your biggest sneaker flip?
BB Dunks.
Yeah, that's how you say it.
Bought them, immediate resale for $500, doubled in price by the time they got to my house.
Sneakerhead pet.
Clean your shoes before you sell them, please.
I know, right?
Oh my God.
I hate that people get mad that you crease your shoes. Wear your shoes, they're shoes.
Biggest sneaker flip?
Would have to be the Starfish 13s. Give them about
you know what?
$100.
Hey, how much have you made off of reselling?
Total, I probably made $20,000 though.
Just part-time and 20,000? Okay.
Reselling was maybe about almost 1,000.
What is spent on a sneaker?
1,000.
What'd you buy?
I bought the sale for
What is the worst release of all time?
This is the high top ones with the black ones.
Ah.
It's terrible. We don't need those.
Yeah.
Throw
With the
them
straps
out.
too, right?
Goofy.
Not
I don't
valid.
like it.
Oh, yeah, the little fur. What is your favorite sneaker of all time?
My sale Air Jordan 4.
Oh, okay, nice.
Those are my favorite ones.
And you got it for 1,000. Nice. What is your sneaker flip?
My dunks.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah.
How much you sell it for?
I sold those for $1,200.
Sneakerhead pet peeve.
Oh my God. All right, let me on the Air Forces. Beat up Air Forces, all white, low top.
I hate creases. I don't like creases. I always tend to wear my shoes.
People walk like a duck too, you know, like
Yes,
this. Yeah.
yeah.
How much have you made off of reselling sneakers?
Today I've made a short like $400.
Like 8,000.
She don't resell sneakers, but she made $1,000. All right, must be nice. Favorite sneaker of all time?
Spoon Adidas.
Oh, that's
Anything
valid.
that he does, yeah.
Oh, I thought you said Nike.
No, the Shaw one is one the Adidas. You know which one?
What's your favorite sneaker of all time?
The CPFM dunks.
What a hypebeast.
I know, I'm a hypebeast.
What is the biggest sneaker flip?
So probably in a trade, I got Off-White Chicago for free. It was just because the value worked out that way.
For free?
Yeah, and then I ended up selling them for like 4K, so 4K.
What is your sneakerhead pet peeve?
This isn't really a pet peeve, but just every Panda dunk ever.